That's a lemon Fanta.
I love lemon chicken, so I'm excited about this.
That's a microwave.
Okay.
It fizzed. It fizzed. Is that the same thing, just re-recorded?
It looks like it's being deep fried, but it's...
They're microwaving the chicken in lemon Fanta.
Actually...
What?
What is that? Was that noodles?
I think I'm gonna vomit.
I actually feel queasy, like
It's
ill.
disgusting.
Yeah.
It looks like washing... What is that powder? Is that flour?
That's washing powder.
Why are they doing this? Wwhy are you doing this? What's wrong?
If someone eats it, I'll hurl.